ashes in the dust. That is all we are. Some of us give up, some dream of the stars. But there's a change in the wind that's blowing, and I've still got blood in my heart. And though we might not know where we're going, I promise we'll never be apart. Just pick me up.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while, but yeah, I'm back again with another makeup tutorial. So today's makeup tutorial will be a drugstore, let's say a simple makeup look. Makeup look didn't take me much time to achieve. Basically, I planned on doing a talk through or chit chat get ready with me in this video, but in a haste, that's why I'm like, okay, let's do a simple look just to see how much we're going to achieve. But the look is very pretty. The eyes are simple, highlights, and yes. Hopefully you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, see you guys on my next clip. So guys, we're gonna go straight to the look. So today, yes, finally I'm going to be talking in one of my videos. It's been a while. So yeah, so today's look I'll be using two foundations, which is the NYS foundation. I'm just going to apply these on my face first before going in again with Fenty Beauty foundation. I do use this NYS foundation first because it's very suitable for my skin, sorry, and it gives my look a very flawless finish. So I like combining, like mixing the both together, just give me this perfect skin. So I'm going to apply, like I'm just rushing everything because I was going to somewhere, so I was like, okay, we're going to film today. But yeah, it comes out like the look actually comes out very good. I never thought that it would be this great, and I didn't do well my blending. So basically, and right here I'll be using my Fenty Beauty foundation 390 in shade, and I'll be putting it in the back of my hands, and I'll be using my sponge to like put it dab it on my face basically. So I'll just be doing it this way. So right now I'll be using my blending brush, my foundation brush, to like dab the foundation, blend it on my skin. I didn't do much, I said before, I didn't do much in my blending the foundation because I was like so fast. So I will tell you, like, just an advice, in foundations you have to blend when applying your foundation, so you have to make sure that it's well blended into your skin, just to like make it look natural. I know it won't be that natural, but just try and blend your foundation, just work. But I'm not someone that just like spend minutes or let's say hours in doing my makeup, so I don't get to like blend that much. But I advise to blend, depends on the skin. So right now I'll be going to my contour, and I'll be using this concealer. It's a Color Pop concealer I bought from a drugstore, and I'll be applying it this way. I don't do much in my makeup, I don't do much. I feel like when it's not too much, it suits me better, so I just like do it lazy anyhow. So now I'll be blending my concealer using the same brush I used in applying my foundation. Like I'm not that let's say that makeup guru that do change foundation brushes when doing the makeup. yeah, I said it before, you have to blend it very well because I'm not someone that blend. So I'm going back again. Now I'll be using my blending brush sponge just to blend it inside. So yeah, now I'll be using my banana dreams inserting the place I just contoured or highlighted. So I'm not a professional, so I don't know the terms they use for those stuff. And I'll be applying my powder using a sponge this way. I'm not a guru, I'm just trying, but we're going to get it someday. So I have said that I'll be doing a chit chat get ready with me in my next video. I've been up and up, on and off on YouTube. I'm like, I don't want you guys to forget about my channel. So right now I'll be doing my very light contour with using my MAC powder. And I'll be contouring my nose. So saying now, like there will be so many things happening, so like just being to myself. Anyways, I'll do a chit chat just to update you guys of what have been happening on my next video. So I'll be doing the same thing in it, contouring my face using the same banana dreams. Right now I'll be going into the eyes, yes, and I'll be taking a concealer as a base for my eyes. And I'll be using, like, there's this thing that will be trending. Anyways, I'll be using the NYS lingerie. It's a dark lip gloss, like it's a matte lipstick or anything they call it. So I'll be applying that. This type of eyeshadow eye look is what's be trending. I'll be seeing people doing it, so I was like, okay, let's do it in this video. So this is my first time actually using a lip gloss for my eyes, so I was like, okay, let's give it a try, and it actually came out great. So right now we're blending it with a small blending brush. It's from Fayon. We're blending it, blending. Blending. So the blending said, right now I'll be going in my unique palette 1. And I was like, it's so dirty at the back, so I was like so shy, and I went in using the fourth right in eyeshadow. So I was just gonna blend it outside my eyes just to give it a smoky look, because I love smoky eyes basically. So I just blend it in and out, in and out. So you just want to like take your time in doing this eye look. I think it was just so effortless for me, because it was so easy and so fast. Now I'll be going in with another blending brush to just blend everything together, because that one was just like so tight, but this one is more flexible, fluffy. See, So right now I'll be using this palette. I did a review on this, you can go watch it. I'll be using the shade right here. It's a very nice palette and it's so affordable. I'll leave a link for you guys to go watch that. And I'll be applying it on my lids this way. Yes, guys, you guys should don't forget to share to your loved ones, family, and friends. And yeah, I'll be blending using my MAC powder. I always laugh in this video. I don't know why I laugh in my videos. Blending it, the top. Blending. Okay. So right now I went on fixing my lashes, and these lashes are big. They are alive. And if you're interested in any of these lashes, you can DM me on Facebook. I'll leave the link to my Facebook. Oh my god, so I went in doing my highlight. I was just carried away by lashes. Highlight, I use this for this highlighter. I'll be falling in love. It's my go-to. I bought them from NYS, from Nice. So yeah, it's a palette. And I'm taking off my baking powder, as I said, using a MAC powder, using this brush basically. Like this lashes are alive. So right now I'll be using the mascara to just take out my beneath lashes. Like I've been doing this for some time now. Oh, like can you guys see what I'm about to do? This trophy wipe is live, bitch. So right now I'm applying this trophy wipe. Like I think this is just what I'm so loving about my highlight. I do use two highlighters right now. The NYS been below, and just put this Fenty Beauty trophy wipe on top, and gives a very finished glowing look. Like I'm so in love with this my highlighters. Like I've been doing this for like a week now. I'm like, oh bitch, I'm going to stay to it. So yeah, I'm not this ancestral. So yeah, so we glow, and I'm gonna like dust some out. But like it's so extra, let's take some off. Alright, so yeah, so I love this look actually. You can give a thumbs up. Right now I'm going to my lips, and I'll be using the same whatever. So guys, this is the end of the look. In my lips I used the lip lingerie I used in the eyes. So yes, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you love this look, and leave a
do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want.